Hi everyone! In my last video, I showed you my 104-year-old grandpa's lunch. But there was one missing piece. It's this miso soup. My 95-year-old grandma made this for his lunch every single day for decades while he was working. And now, she still makes it for their breakfast every morning. Today, I want to share the secret of their health. It's a mix of grandma's love and her simple wisdom. Grandma's secret is how she cuts the vegetables. She cuts everything into very small pieces. Why? Because it's much easier for the body to digest. She wanted Grandpa to get all the nutrients without any stress on his stomach. This small step helped Grandpa stay energetic all day, even after age 100. And here is the most important part, Sakekasu. Grandma always adds little bit of Sakekasu to the miso. Miso is great, but Sakekasu makes it super soup for your gut. She uses strainer to make it very smooth and creamy. This simple bowl of soup has protected their health for many years. Grandma is 95 and Grandpa is 104. Their health comes from these small daily habits. I hope this recipe helps you and your loved ones stay healthy too. The full recipe is in the description box. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.